Why does your scanner show the P0158 engine code? What does it mean? P0158 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 2 sensor 2. This error code indicates that the engine control module has detected excessively high voltage from the bank 2 sensor 2 oxygen sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor. Wiring issues. Engine misfires. Exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota Camry, Cadillac, and Jeep Wrangler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.